Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. My name is ISMAIL bin ROSLI. My metric number 1181610 with my friend Muhammad LUTFI. So today we will present on the issue Unix operating system has been more secure than Windows. Let's start about the introduction. So what is the operating system? Operating system is a computer program that used to interact with the software and hardware on a computer. So Unix is one of the operating system that developed in the Bell Laboratories of AT&T, and it is an example of multitasking, multi-user operating system. It also provides the users with the program development tools, electronic communications facilities, and others. So why we choose this issue? Basically, we choose this issue because there are difference between Unix and Windows operating system. Then, as we know that people usually use Windows than Unix. Then we can see a report on the operating system use. As we know that when people buy PC or laptop, it has been already installed Windows operating system, so the knowledge on the other operating system is deficient. So next we go to the objective. So the objective is to know the functional of Unix operating system that has been more secure than the Windows operating system by observing the usage of Unix operating system. So we go to the finding, what we got from this issue. Firstly is Unix service support. So Unix use various methods of authentication, but generally it use internet standard protocols. Mostly they use lightweight directory access protocol LDAP or Kerberos for authentication. Unix files and print service are TCP or Internet Protocol based. Protocols like FTP, NFS, and HTTP are used with the standard file sharing. So to handle the print process and printer management, it uses LDP or LPR protocols. The software like Samba makes Unix appear as window for file sharing. Then Unix has been existed for a long time, and therefore there are many of security issue have been discovered and their causes fixes. Next we go to the challenge for most regular user. Basically, if we want to use something new, we need to learn first. So it same goes to the Unix, which is we need to learn a few new semantics about how the Unix, the operating system works. So Unix or Linux is so impenetrable. It's primarily the fact that everything is modular in the operating system.
Nextly, website use Linux server. There are many websites run by Linux server rather than Windows server. We can see in the report of the w3teach.com, the Linux is used about 32.5% of all the website whose operating system than Windows, which is just about 30.2%. Nextly, the desktop and server operating system run on the same Windows network technology back, where everything is linked to the remote procedure called service. Nextly, observation about the finding. First, we can observe the Unix and Windows product have been able to use Kerberos technology for the authentication. Mostly and nextly is about the challenge of most regular user, which means that it has been ready installed by and no need to find other. Third, many of server and website use Linux server that will show the give more advantage and secure. And more other suggestion from me, there is no operating system is bulletproof, mean is to get educated about the security threat you face. Second, deploying a secure operating system is an important step, but if we are in lacking of knowledge, it will expose you to the risk. Third, the must have the firewall and both Windows and Unix, and importantly to know how it works. Fourth, we need to check if the software is safety or not before installing it by checking up with the review. Fifth, the suggestion 2, we must have the knowledge about how to operating system work either in Unix or Windows. And conclusion, an operating system is a computer program that makes you to interact with the software and hardware on a computer. It's unique, inherently safer than Windows. It is subjective based on how to use, manage, and the knowledgeable of the system work. Third, one of the benefit of open source is that if we determine to construct a piece of software from downloaded code, we can verify it with the developer. 4. If they are from non-developer, they are implement to verify to purity of binary of package file before we install it. Nextly, the leading companies that put out unique distribution keep a close observation of virus. And nextly, the quality of open source event allow the participation to grasp and fix the problem happen and then present the change to operating vendor so that they can mention it as either a path or contain in the next update of the operating system. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you for watching.